Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Minwan Ramangi Hakerdob Ying Jongpi
Ka Employment Monitoring Cell jong ka Khasi Students Union haringkat ki nongelam bat ki Dkhot jong ka na North Khasi District Unit kila hiar hajan miet jong ka arpenyotrik no pra arja upsau syaka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science kabadan ha umyam banyak kendo ya udin jong ni ka college banyak keren halor ka jingpen kriya no na umyam syagwahti ya ka examination center jong ki samla ki betemu bantho ya ka examen na ka bentak kam lower division clerk but upper division clerk kat kum ka kerwa ba ki siu kala pha ling ba ka video kala kam ba Marsien yo jingtep ba ki Dkhot jong ka kila hiar skini college udin lo Phet kra no bat la pentep syaki ba udan sya asam kumta ki siu kala khang talano ek office rekam jong u hanrai tang Hadien kat tu kat ni minute ulawan mi syaka college banyak keren bagi Dkhot jong ki siu bat kala mi ru ka Jingïapyni inia hapreng jong ki kabalane kumba ar ni lai minute
You are here not for the benefit of us. You are here for the benefit of someone else. No, if you are working for someone else, then why are you?
We are giving as per government of
Why
India,
are you
we
letting
giving-
our candidates
we are
write
giving
examination
assurance
copy?
that for this kind of positions, local will be given preferences.
How will they be given preferences when their examination have to be done in Dkhot? You don't understand that?
This is first phase and second phase. Skill test will be here. First phase is written.
If
Once
in the
number
first
of
phase
can-
only they are not
when
being able
number
to
will
write,
get down,
if
then
first phase only they are
skill
not
test
able
will be
to
here.
write, then how will they go and go for the second
Skill
phase?
test will be here.
You don't understand one thing. You don't have
I am
brains.
telling now, second phase exam will be here. Skill test.
If
It is because of the number problem. It was taken.
Listen here. If you do not go and write the first phase examination, will you be selected for the second phase? Huh? You understand my
Definitely,
point?
good candidate will be selected. Why not?
Well, that's why I tell you, you are insensitive. You are not here for the benefit of the locals. Many of the people who apply for this job are coming from a financially weaker section. How will they afford to go to Dkhot and write the examination? Huh?
देखिए.
How will you will give them TEDA?
No,
Give
this
them
is
TEDA.
national exam.
You give them
This is
TEDA.
national exam. All over India, people are
National
coming.
exam. People from Manipur are getting to write that examination in Manipur. From Tura, they are getting to write in Tura. From Silchar, they are getting to write in Silchar. Dkhot, they are getting to write in Dkhot. Why people from Meghalaya have to write in Dkhot? Where is this? What is this place? This is Assam or Meghalaya?
This is Meghalaya.
So, the post of LD and UDC are for this office, for this
Central
college,
Agricultural
for this college.
University.
Then
Yeah,
why
this
will
college.
if I have to work here, why will I have to write the examination in Dkhot? See,
Large
there's
number
no
of
point
candidates.
See, there's no point of talking large number of candidates. How many candidates are we talking about? 5,000 candidates. For DSC has been conducting exams for 20,000, 30,000. Well, how can we accommodate? I understand that this cannot fit all 5,000 candidates, but there are other universities also as well. There are other institutes as well. You can ask. Did you ask?
Yes, I went to
Only
ECC
three,
and
only
others.
three
If you
college.
did not get one, you go and
Only
ask two.
three.
Did you ask the help from the state government?
Christ College, you see, then,
And then?
I went to that Borapani campus.
And then
all together
only,
did not
only
accommodate.
three. Only in Riboy.
So
Why not in
What
Yes,
my
also?
what my request is, you just give me tomorrow's time.
No.
Tomorrow's
Only-
time.
We met you on-
Let me discuss
When will we
again.
meet you?
See,
2 days back.
I already conveyed
Then now
your,
also. Then you ask time
I
again.
Already I conveyed your message to our authority.
So within that time, what did you do? What did you come up with? Why do you have to come here and agitate? What did you do all this time?
Authority did any
Why you want to buy time?
thing comes,
Huh?
I will immediately intimate you.
Ka KSU kala kena pakani ke jingle ke de ke jingle khnang ban pendolat iki samlawat kam na kani ke jela ki batmu punya khon ki kam ki balat hajela la jong ka KSU kala penpau jing so khya bagi samlawat kam na ki we ki jela ki ban tho exam ha ke jela la jong bat wat ki garur ki ban tho atura kat baya ki khasi pat la pha ban chagwati bat kani kan kata bha ya ki samla kham tam ha kalet kawan kani ke jing her jong ka KSU kani college ka dei Hadien bakala de ban pha jing tho shaki board kani college handai kim shim la le ai